Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. All of these job leads are for the United States only. That is where my specialty lies. But we have things like email and social media customer support. So if you're kind of like an introvert or you don't like talking on the phone, we have some regular customer support jobs, and I know I share a lot of jobs from like up and coming companies or smaller companies, but today we have some pretty big well-known companies. If you're looking for that more stable corporate company, we have like Home Chef, we have Discover hiring, we have Stanley Black & Decker, we even have Wendy's hiring remote work from home. Yes, the fast food chain. So of course we're going to dive all into it. Links to all the pages that I share, including the Glassdoor pages and timestamps, are always in the YouTube description box below this video. If you need to put those applications in or get any additional information on any of these jobs, please just remember though, I don't work for any of these companies. I don't have anything additional outside of what is posted in the job listing. And of course, I always just ask that if you enjoy anything that I share, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, and share with all your friends and family. Now, without wasting any more time, first up we have the company Pearson. Now, Pearson is like an educational type company group. They have 8,600 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a world language scorer, and again, this is going to be remote for the United States. Now, I seen in the comments not that long ago that somebody was looking for like bilingual jobs, and I know most people don't want to be on the phone. A lot of bilingual jobs are going to be customer service, but I thought I would share this one because it's scoring test and scoring and grading different like essays and tests and things like that for this educational group if you are bilingual in a second language other than English. Now, in fear of butchering some of these, I am not going to read all of these out. All the different languages they are looking for are right here. They do include like Mongolian, but they are basically looking for somebody who is fluent in one of these languages and English to evaluate responses from teacher candidates in multiple states, just taking the scoring guide and the training that you're given and applying it to the responses and the material that you are grading, just meeting those quality and productive guidelines. They do pay $17.50 an hour. And they do offer flexibility in the schedule and the hours that you work. And again, it is remote. Now, other than just being a native speaker of the language, or you can also be a teacher or college educator in the language, but you do need to know a different language. You've got to have basic computer skills, be eligible to work in the United States, and maintain confidentiality in the information that you see. Now, if you're like me and you are not bilingual in any other language, that's okay. The rest of these don't require you to be. Next up, we have Home Chef hiring. Home Chef is like the meal delivery meal kit service. They have 304 reviews from past and current employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer experience associate. Now, it says way over here in the corner, US remote. I don't know why it's way off centered there. But they are looking for somebody to do basic customer service through all of their customer service mediums, including phone, chat, and email. So you will have to be on the phone a lot with this one. It is a full-time 40-hour per week job. You'll just be assisting those customers with their Home Chef experience, just answering all of their questions and helping them solve their issues, whether it's related to their orders or what they should order. So you're just going to be organized, accountable, and responsible, just helping the customer along their journey. You will have to participate in meetings within your team as well. Now, they are only looking for like a high school diploma or GED and somebody who has 1 year of customer service experience. Now, you do have to be tech savvy enough to know how to work yourself around a computer using different software systems. You will have to document the stuff that you talk about with the customers into the computer system. And of course, you have to have great communication skills. Now, pay is listed very tiny, but is $17.50 an hour. Now, this next one is great if you don't want to talk on the phone or you're more like an introvert. Sticker Mule is hiring. I've seen ads for them on YouTube. They have 67 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a remote full-time customer support agent. Now, not only is this only like social media and email-based customer support, they're also offering a $500 upfront sign-on bonus for the right person. But Sticker Mule, in their words, makes the internet's most kick-ass brand. I think I've seen in their ads I've seen on YouTube before, it's like where you can personalize items and order things to then sell for your store. So maybe you design some kind of like logo or slogan and you want to have it like printed on stickers or printed on like canvas bags or t-shirts or something so that you can then sell. So it's one of those types of companies, but it says they only offer customer support through email and social media. You're basically going to be responding to these customers through email in a helpful tone, proposing any edits to the designs they've made or additions, helping with the FAQ and knowledge base, and just suggesting opportunities for the product team to be able to do things differently to help make their customers happy. It only requires 1 year of customer service experience, great writing skills, and you need to have experience working from home and working remotely. Now, they have multiple different shifts that they are offering with rotating days, so you will have to work either a Saturday or a Sunday. You will have to work one weekend day. Pay is anywhere from $22 an hour up to $23.50 an hour. And again, they offer that $500 signing bonus. Now, next up, we have the company TrueCar hiring. TrueCar has 419 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. TrueCar is looking for an order management specialist. Now, please note with this one, they have different shifts between the hours of 7 a.m. to 12 a.m. Central Time, and they operate 7 days a week. So you are going to have to be available to work different shifts. You might be on first shift one day and like second shift another week. So just know that going in, you do have to have a little bit of flexibility in your schedule. But they are looking for somebody to basically receive and process their customer orders and transactions accurately and promptly. You're going to verify the order details, verify pricing, verify customer and dealer information, because remember, this is a car company. You're going to be mindful of the consumer and dealer experience, just helping collaborate the service with the contact center teams, making sure any problems the customer or dealer is having is resolved quickly. You're going to communicate both through phone and email with the customers and the dealers regarding the car order status, changes, or any issues that need to be taken care of that come up. Just making sure everyone has a smooth and satisfactory transaction. Now, on top of that, you're going to have to do some data entry in the computer system, just maintaining accurate records of orders, shipments, and for the customer and the dealer interactions. They only require somebody who has great customer service or order management experience, somebody who is highly organized, can prioritize different tasks. Of course, you have to have great communication skills and be able to use basic computer systems. Pay for this one runs anywhere from $22.84 an hour up to $25.24 an hour. Now, next up, we have fast food chain Wendy's hiring. Wendy's has 13,000 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. And opportunities like this for remote work from home are few and far between. So when I see something like this and come across something like this, I'm always scared to share it. I just want to say, don't shoot the messenger. But Wendy's is hiring a coordinator for their AP or accounts payable department. Now, this is a corporate position rather than a store position. Their corporate offices is out of Dublin, Ohio. That's why that address is listed here. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom right under what is required for this job, it is marked as a location remote. And it does say that you might have to spend about 10% of your time traveling, but 10%, so 90% of the time you are just in your home office. But Wendy's is looking for somebody to be responsible for the various aspects of their accounts payable functions, specifically with their Wendy's restaurants in the UK and Europe. You're basically going to manage invoice approval process for their UK approved invoice mailbox. You're going to make sure that these invoices are processed accurately and timely, making sure the invoices are coded for their correct cost center so it gets in the budget correctly. So you're going to work with their international accounting department to ensure proper protocols are in place, set up new vendors, set up new suppliers in the system, update existing vendor records. You're going to run the payment cycle, set up the banking, and ensure that the payments are made to the suppliers on a timely manner. You're just assisting with all the accounts payable research for the supplier statements, invoices, reconciling the invoices, and books and things like that. They are looking for somebody who has a secondary school education, somebody who has working knowledge of like Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, all of those tools that most companies use these days. You've got to have great problem solving skills, and you've got to be very analytical. You've got to be able to really work with Excel, run reports, and kind of look at the data and see what the story the data tells you. So being very detail oriented and able to multitask. Now again, it is marked remote with 10% travel and pays anywhere from $20 an hour up to $33 an hour. Now, next up, we have the company Stanley Black & Decker hiring. They probably need really no introduction. They make all kinds of things from like small home appliances to tools, and I don't even know what else. They have 3,900 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. They're looking for a specialist for their customer service department. Now, this is again remote for the United States. Now, Black & Decker handles other tool type brands as well as DeWalt, Craftsman, Stanley, all of those. They're just really looking for somebody to be that first point of contact for their customers. So you're going to answer a lot of phone calls from customers, distributors, or sales personnel. You'll also have to answer emails that come into their general question email boxes, just processing a customer request in a positive and professional manner. You might do things like answer general questions, process returns for them, replacement orders. They might be requesting like guides or manuals, user guides for literature, information, or technical support. And you might also help them with their order status, pricing, placing an order. You'll process shipment inquiries like freight calculations, expedite orders to get them out to the customer, return authorizations, and if any shipping delays, you'll have to handle that with the customer as well. So you might be taking a payment for these orders over the phone, entering those credit card transactions into the system. They are only looking for somebody who has a high school diploma or GED. While they prefer college, it's not required as long as you have 3 years of customer service experience. You've got to be a self-starter, someone who can really like work independently without a lot of oversight or supervision. Again, with those computer systems, really Microsoft Office is the gold standard for businesses and working remote these days. You have to have great communication skills and have a positive work attitude. Now, sadly, Stanley Black & Decker did not list pay. That'll need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. And I saved this one for last because they are state restrictive and only hiring in certain states. But financial institution Discover, they offer like credit cards, loans, bank accounts. I think they even offer student loans. They have 4,700 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They're looking for somebody to work their bank fraud customer service line. They are looking for somebody to start in early August of 2024. We've got about a week and a half until August even gets here, so get those applications in. They are looking for specific start times and shifts depending on what state you're in. They're really just hiring in these states right here, so I will leave this up for just a minute so you can kind of see if your state is there. Now, please note shifts are Monday through Friday with weekends assigned, so you may have to work some weekends. But they're just really looking for somebody to answer those phone calls, resolve card member inquiries regarding any fraud or security related concerns. So if there is fraudulent activity, somebody's card was used and it wasn't them who used it, you're going to verify these flag transactions and report on accounts as fraud. Just taking those incoming calls, making outbound calls, Just making sure that you're doing the research, talking to the card member, and seeing if they made those transactions or not. And if they didn't make those transactions, you're going to have to do some research into those transactions, just seeing if they're really fraudulent. Now, the basics, they will take someone with less than a high school diploma. I haven't really seen that listed before. You do get bonus points if you have a high school diploma or GED, and you get bonus points if you have call center or customer service experience. But really with this one, they're saying really no experience is needed. It looks like they will completely train you. Now, please note this position and applications for this position closes on July 25th. That is Thursday of this week, so in about 2 days. And pay for this one is anywhere from $17 an hour up to $18.98 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. I never make any promises, but I do keep those in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed anything that I shared, give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.